A special night for music lovers in Sacramento. Classical performances and community support coming together in a powerful way. It's the Camellia Symphony Orchestra, Sacramento's longest running orchestra, performing several classical pieces today at McClatchy High School. But the concert is about more than just the music. Thanks to an anonymous donor, all ticket proceeds are going to the California Fire Foundation to support wildfire relief.
It's a win-win situation. People come here, enjoy a wonderful symphonic performance, and at the same time they get to help the California Fire Foundation, which is one of the most reputable foundations to help with wildfire relief.
The Camellia Symphony is made up of both professional and volunteer musicians, including some of McClatchy's own music teachers. The symphony has 3 more concerts this season, including a massive cathedral performance. That's coming up in April.